Have you ever struggled to see small icons or text on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? There's a powerful built-in feature that can instantly make everything bigger without changing font size or zooming in manually. It's called Enlarge Display and it's part of Samsung Vision Enhancement. Let me show you how to turn it on and how it compares to other display mode. Here's how to enable Enlarge Display mode on your phone. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Next, tap Vision Enhancement. Under Display Mode section, tap Enlarge Display Thumbnail. Here, you can read the explanation of this display mode, saying that font size and screen zoom are increased, bold font and highlight buttons are turned on. Tap Apply button. As you can see, you are now having larger icons, wider spacing, and more comfortable navigation without distorting apps or text. So whether you have vision difficulties or just prefer a clearer, more spacious layout, Enlarge Display mode makes your Galaxy S25 Ultra more comfortable to use, no squinting and no straining. It's one of the easiest way to customize your phone for visibility and ease. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.